talking about how light travels in a straight line, how it can bend. So you might be thinking, light cannot bend, but actually it can. Before we talk about these complex things, let's first talk about what we need for this experiment. A laser beam, water, it is a water bottle. Fill the water bottle with water and then put a hole in it, and it won't leak because all that pressure in the water, it will just stay. But if you remove the cap, well, that new air will push that water and that will make this hole leak. And you can use soap, salt, water. Well, I will recommend that so you see it clearly. And let's leave that hole anywhere, but I would just put it in the center. Okay, so when we remove this cap, be prepared. There will be water pouring into the bowl. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God. So you can see there's some color on the water. As the water is bending, light's also passing to it. You can see that this little color right here. And also, if you see a straight line in the bottle, the light's traveling straight and it's bending. Now let's talk about it, why it's bending. So the reason why it's bending, it is because when you pass the light, it's supposed to just go straight, right? But inside the bottle, the medium is liquid, and outside, it's air. So when it changes speed, and that is why it looks like light is bending. It's also satisfying to watch.